Hi everyone, this is Kim. Today, we will do using the Python to exit multiple space leave at the. Hi, this is Kim. Today, we will do the multiple space leave as Cisco Webex Messenger. Actually, if you have to move to another position, maybe you need to leave many rooms. So it automate leave the many rooms at once. As Cisco Webex Messenger, each room has a menu and you can leave the room. But if you have to leave 100 spaces, it's also a very big job. Okay, this is the multiple room exit, the Python code. So let me demo how to use it. First, you have to make a room for test T1 and space T2 space T3. All right, and then first you have to do is here is how to use. First, you get a token. Every Webex user can get a token and log in at the here. You can get a token. Just copy it, and there is an info file, and put your token here, and also your email at the here, and then run C101. C101 is it save the room information to CSV file. Blah blah blah. Okay, so here is the as a file. T1, 2, 3 is here. All right, and then if you want to leave a room, to put the Q character in the first line. First character here. I will leave it to 3 rooms. So here Q Q Q, and then save and close and run C102 here. If we do that, all right, so room removes from space. All right, and here there is no room T1, T2, T3. Easy. All right, here first C101 is you can create all the rooms and ID, title, type, and last activity. If type is group, it print out ID, title, and last activity. Last activity is very important. If the room is too old, you can leave. And then put Q here at the file. Then if the Q is first character, it queries membership detail. And at the membership detail, you can get the your membership ID. Using membership ID, you can leave the room. You do it again and again and again. That's it. Very simple. Hey, look, we can see the code. Code is here. Very simple. Just to get the token here, and this request, and open the room list CSV file as write, and then at each room, if each group, print out these ones. Each room ID, last activity time, and title, and write and print. That's it. C102 is also simple. So get a token and email from info, and then read the file. If the first character is Q, get the query the membership. At the membership, you can get your membership ID, and your membership ID, you can leave the room. Very simple. But I think it's not useful. You know, this to do it, you need 3 files three Python files, and maybe the common layman but ordinary persons is not uh, can run this file. So maybe we need to reserve it. Next time I'll show you how to reserve these ones. See you. Bye bye.